Yellowman, born Winston Foster in 1956 in Kingston, Jamaica, is one of the most iconic and groundbreaking figures in reggae and dancehall music. He emerged during a time when Jamaica was still deeply influenced by roots reggae, and his entry into the spotlight signaled a major shift in the island's musical direction. As one of the first albino artists to gain national and international fame, his presence alone challenged societal norms and helped reshape how dancehall would evolve. His career took off after he won the Tasty Talent Contest in 1979, a pivotal moment that introduced him to the public and brought him into contact with major producers. That same year, he began recording tracks with various sound systems, eventually catching the attention of producers at Greensleeves Records. His debut album Mr. Yellowman, released in 1982, was a game-changer for the dancehall genre, introducing a bold, lyrical style that captivated listeners across Jamaica and beyond. Yellowman's music was instantly recognizable. His rapid-fire delivery, witty lyrics, and charismatic stage presence set him apart from other artists. He often used humor and suggestive language, which became his trademark style during the early 1980s. Songs like Singas and Guising and Nobody Move, Nobody Get Hurt became underground anthems, later sampled by major international artists. His early career was not without controversy. Yellowman was frequently criticized for the sexual content in his lyrics. Still, many fans appreciated his honesty, confidence, and the way he flipped societal expectations. In a society where his albinism had made him the target of ridicule and discrimination, Yellowman turned the tables and used his platform to assert his value unapologetically. Despite the criticism, his popularity soared. He was one of the first Jamaican DJs to sign a major international record deal, signing with Columbia Records in the US. His music reached audiences across North America, Europe, and Africa, and his international tours drew large, enthusiastic crowds. This success marked Yellowman as a trailblazer for reggae and dancehall artists entering the global stage. Yellowman's influence stretched far beyond reggae. He became a reference point for many hip-hop and R&B artists who admired his delivery and style. His music was sampled by the Notorious B.I.G., Tupac Shakur, and others, which cemented his legacy in not only Jamaican music but also global pop culture. However, Yellowman's career took a turn in the mid-1980s when he was diagnosed with skin cancer. The illness posed a significant threat to his life and career. He underwent multiple surgeries, including the removal of part of his jaw, drastically altering his appearance. For many artists, this might have been the end, but Yellowman proved to be as resilient as he was talented. After recovering from cancer, Yellowman took a new direction in his music. He began writing more conscious lyrics, addressing social issues and promoting positive messages. This transformation earned him even greater respect from fans and critics alike, showing that his artistry extended beyond risque entertainment to meaningful storytelling and reflection. Family became a central part of Yellowman's life as he matured. He is married and has children, including his daughter Karima Foster, who is also a reggae artist. Karima has often expressed pride in her father's accomplishments and influence. Their musical bond has brought them together on stage, highlighting a generational legacy that continues to grow. Yellowman speaks highly of his family, crediting them with helping him through his battles with illness and supporting him throughout his career. While he remains a public figure, he's also known to enjoy a quieter, more reserved personal life centered around his loved ones and his passion for music. Yellowman enjoys a comfortable and dignified lifestyle, a reward for his decades of work in the music industry. He owns a beautiful home in Kingston, Jamaica, where he spends much of his time when not touring. His house is reportedly spacious, with areas for relaxation, creative work, and family gatherings. It is a peaceful sanctuary that reflects his journey from hardship to success. In addition to his primary residence in Jamaica, Yellowman is believed to own real estate in the United States. These international properties are used when he travels for shows or takes time off. Although he maintains a low profile, the existence of these properties reflects his lasting success and global presence. Yellowman also has a keen interest in automobiles. His car collection includes luxury vehicles like a Range Rover and a Mercedes-Benz, which he uses for both personal and professional outings. While not known for flaunting wealth, Yellowman clearly enjoys the finer things that his success has made accessible. Even in his 60s, Yellowman continues to tour and perform regularly. His stage presence remains magnetic, drawing fans of all ages. He performs at international reggae festivals, local Jamaican shows, and special events that celebrate the culture of dancehall and reggae. Audiences continue to respond to his energy and authenticity. Beyond music, Yellowman is active in philanthropy. He supports initiatives that raise awareness about albinism and skin cancer, and he uses his story to encourage those facing similar challenges. His outreach efforts have helped reduce stigma and educate people across Jamaica and the diaspora. Yellowman received the Order of Distinction from the Jamaican government, one of the nation's highest honors, for his contribution to the music industry. This award formally recognized his cultural impact and the barriers he broke down throughout his career. Though a celebrity, Yellowman is described by those close to him as humble and kind. He rarely seeks media attention and prefers to let his music and actions speak for themselves. His lifestyle is marked by gratitude, discipline, and purpose values that have carried him through both triumph and adversity. Today, Yellowman is not only remembered for his music but for his courage and perseverance. He took a life filled with hardship and transformed it into something powerful, something lasting. His voice, once doubted and dismissed, became one of the most recognized in Jamaican music history. From his humble beginnings in institutional care to international acclaim, Yellowman's story is one of determination and creativity. His luxurious lifestyle, including his homes and vehicles, reflects not extravagance but the reward of decades of dedication. Most importantly, he remains grounded in family, culture, and the unshakable power of music.